How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bill, and in today's video we are going to do the Blue Spring mod here on the Ford F350. Now, I got quite a few things going on and quite a mess out here, so I'm actually already started doing a video about this air filter, which I'll probably upload before this one. But while I got the old filter out, I figure now's a better time to do this instead of doing the full install and then having to take the air filter back out just to do this. So now that I have the old air filter out, I need to get rid of this cold side tube, remove it out of my way. All right, and down here is the other one. This should, I'm going to pull that dipstick out of my way before I break that as well. Put that up there. Get that out of the way. And yeah, I shouldn't need to remove it completely. Just pull it out of my way there. What we need to do, and it looks like somebody's already disconnected this because they put zip ties on here to keep that lock nut from falling off. But I'm going to replace this here. So I got to disconnect this line, loosen up that bolt, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think they're Allen or Torx bits to get off of there. So yeah, somebody's definitely had this whole thing off of there because, you know, they've zip tied that so this might already have a blue spring in it. Hoping it doesn't, because that means that's not my problem. I got disconnect here. Alright. So this is why zip tie comes in handy. Keeps that bolt from falling, or the whatchamacallit, from falling all the way down. And I wanted to loosen this because we need to get this fitting off of there to put to the new piece, and I don't have a vise to hold that, so getting it loose now while it's on the car is perfect. Alright, so it looks like it's a T25 Torx. Alright, I can't get a good grip on that, so I'll try it with the ratchet here. There we go. This does have a spring behind it. Careful, the whole thing doesn't just go shooting off. Alright, so this is what we're removing. Yeah. I need to pull the spring and that. Then we also need to try to get this piece out without breaking it. Well, remember that I had that rag there the whole time. I didn't just let the fuel pour out of there. Rag was there the whole time to collect that. So I don't have a pick. Well, you know what? Before we even get that out, let's double check our kit and make sure. Okay, we got the spring. Now here's our new kit. It's got new regulator, new O-rings, new spring. All right, okay, yeah. got the new piece right there. That's the one I'm trying to take out. Before I tried to take it out, I wanted to make sure our kit had one. All right, so I'm just trying to get this little piece out without breaking it, if possible. And we did. We got it all out in one piece. It's a miracle. Here we have the Blue Spring, which is called, well, it's the Blue Spring mod. And it looks like that is the older one. And as you can see, this Blue Spring, it's obviously it's newer. It's a little bit bigger. It's got a little more tension to it. So the idea being that replacing that spring is going to help us maintain our fuel pressure just a bit better. And so I'll put a link down to this kit that I bought, because I think I paid 20 bucks for it. I've seen the same exact kit when I was looking around. Some people were selling it for up to $70 for the same exact thing. So be careful where you're buying stuff from. I guess I don't know how they get away with charging $70 for the same thing and get for 20, but you know, obviously people are paying it. So yeah, I'll put a link to where I got this from down in the description below if you need to pick one up. Yeah, like I said, I paid 20 bucks I think for it. Maybe it was 25, and it sure wasn't 60, 70 bucks like I've seen some places charging. Need to get this fitting all the way out. It should be loosened. Which it was. Now we have several O-rings. We have one right inside here. You can see this one's completely flattened. There's no spring to it whatsoever anymore. It's in there for good. There's another one right here, and then one inside of there. So I'm gonna get these out. And our kit comes with new O-rings. As you can see, they're nice and rounded all the way around. It's not flat at all yet. Got new O-ring in here. Alright, so I'm going to take this. Alright, so in our kit, we had a new piece here. Just snaps in. There's a little hole there. And the kit also has this piece here. If you have an older one, I think the 04 or older, 03, 04 version, then you'll need this. Don't need it in this one. So we've got a new one in the kit. Newer O-ring. That just goes right in there. We have our newer spring. New screws to reattach everything. And it's just going to go back together and make sure that spring lines up to the center here. See what I'm talking about? There's a little hole there. I'm going to make sure that's where the spring is actually seated. Well, just got that all tightened and realized, maybe you already noticed what I did wrong. Didn't put the gasket in there. So don't do what I just did. At least we got that tightened now. But I gotta pull this back off. All right, so let's start over here. Let's make sure we got our O-ring in here. I guess the temperature temperature thermostat ring. I don't know, is it still considered an O-ring if it's not O-shaped? But or gasket, we'll call it a gasket. There, got that in there this time. That will help. Make sure we get our spring in the center there. Get it pushed on there and get our screw started. It's almost like I've done this before. Goes much smoother after you did it wrong the first time. Second time, much easier. All right, so. Ooh, almost lost the screw. So luckily, caught that when we didn't get anything else put back together first. So let's tighten everything down again. All right, so this time we got all the O-rings in. The 4 T25 Torx. Tighten down. Fuel line hooked back up. Nice. And we can bring that back over. Back on there. Ooh, seems like we might be getting some stormy weather coming in. Hopefully I can get all my mess cleaned up out here and everything put together before that happens. All right, so there we go. We got the Blue Spring mod done. Hopefully it'll help us out some. I'll do a follow-up to see how things, if there's any change whatsoever. This helps you out. It did. Give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video and like to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.